Open house. Fully upgraded end unit townhouse. Saturday and Sunday, 12 p.m. through 2 p.m. 677 Seeback Drive, Charlestown, West Virginia. Offered at $399,999. Come visit us this weekend and tour a standout end unit townhouse in Norborne Glebe with the space, upgrades, and privacy buyers are looking for. Built in 2024, this move-in ready home offers 3 finished levels, a bright modern layout, and stylish finishes throughout. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a private entry-level suite, spacious living areas, and the option to purchase partially furnished. Outside, enjoy a rear deck, garage, driveway, and fenced outdoor space perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or pets. The end unit location gives this home extra privacy, extra natural light, and a more open feel than a standard interior townhouse. 4 beds, 3.5 baths, 3 finished levels, end unit, fenced outdoor space, rear deck, garage, move-in ready, built in 2024, offered at $399,999. Stop by this weekend. This is the Charlestown townhouse buyers need to see in person.